My father called me and he said कि इंडिया का नेक्स्ट सबसे बड़ा सुपरस्टार की फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है, मैं तुझे पिकअप कर रहा हूँ, हम देखने जा रहे हैं. And I remember, man, I remember where I sat in that theater. I can remember the smell of the popcorn in the theater. And I'm watching this man on screen. And I don't know, पता नहीं क्या था, his eyes and my eyes are similar. Something happened in that moment. मैं गाड़ी में बैठा, मेरे father कहते हैं कि तू इतना चुप क्यों है? And it just came out. I said, मैं इंडिया जाके एक्टर बनूंगा. It just came out. And he was like, hey, man, he turned around, he's driving the car and he just went like this. He kept driving. He didn't say anything. And from that day till now is what he gave me a dream.
Did you tell this time?
No.
Oh,
No. I think I was just afraid and I didn't want to mess up our tuning. He really embraced me. He really embraced me. Like he gave me so much courage. मतलब अगर उनको एक सीन अच्छा लगता था मेरा तो वो मैसेज करते थे. You know, great job today. You know, you're never alone with Hrithik because Hrithik has an entourage and people around him all the time.
Yeah.
But there are a couple moments that it was just the two of us and he's so vulnerable and so honest. एक फ्लाइट पे था और एक जब फिल्म खत्म हुई, स्क्रीनिंग खत्म हुआ और हम दोनों somehow because I think they were rushing in भीड़, हमें ऋतिक रोशन तो भीड़ है ना, तो फिर हम दोनों को ऐसे और वो मुझे पकड़ा, he said Akshay come and we just got into a lift and now it's just me and him in the lift alone and he said such nice things about my performance in the film and he meant it because I know when that man speaks he means everything he says. He gave me a lot of courage and he gave me a lot of belief in myself and he taught me a lot, you know, like you can be as big a superstar as you want but वो आदमी दुनिया का सबसे बेस्ट डांसर माना जाता है. इंडिया का तो डेफिनेटली सेकंड है वो, सेकंड टू ओनली माइकल जैक्सन in my mind.
For sure.
During that शेर खुल गए, the main step, you will see that guy going up and down, working on one step over and over and over. And he's like, I'm not kidding, I'll try it again. He's going up and down. I mean, imagine him who doesn't have to do anything. He's achieved everything. That is why he is who he is.